How to use Instagram drawing feature in the chat. Here's a step-by-step guide. Initially open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap the messenger icon at the top right corner. After that, choose any chat where you want to send your drawing. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom right. From the option, select Draw. Now you can explore the different markers available at the top and choose your preferred color from the palette below. Additionally, use the slider on the left side to change the thickness. Once ready, start drawing on the screen. If you make a mistake, simply hit the arrow icon at the bottom left to remove it. Finally, when you are happy with the drawing, hit the send button at the bottom right. And there you have it. You have just learned how to use Instagram drawing feature in the chat.